Not good です。
今回の舞台はアメリカ、オハイオ州エーボン、あるホテルのフロントから緊急通報が入りました。
Hi, my sister works at the Fairfield Inn on Colorado Avenue in Avon. She is a desk worker.
Okay.
There is a male in a full headdress with multiple disposable phones pledging his allegiance or something to ISIS.
Okay.
He is very panicky.
Okay, is your sister able to call us?
No, she is at the front desk.
Okay.
Of the hotel.
Okay, what is your name?
My name is her sister.
And what's your sister's name? And do you have a callback number for her, or is she at the actual phone line at the Fairfield?
She doesn't have a cell phone. She's texting me off a deactivated iPhone that has Wi-Fi.
Okay. Does she have a description of this male? Or in a vehicle, or is he on foot?
She said there's a suspicious male here at the desk with disposable phones, two of them in a full headdress.
And he's stating he has pledged allegiance to ISIS, and he's in the lobby right now?
Yes.
Okay. All right, I'll send some officers down.
All right, thank
All right,
you.
bye.
アラビア風の衣装を着た男が複数の携帯電話を持ち ISIS に忠誠を誓っている。そう報告されたのです。フロント係は恐怖のあまり警察に助けを求めたのです。
No weapons seen at this time. I do not have a clothing description or anything further on the male in the lobby. Head to Fairfield at Chester and 611.
Let's make sure this isn't a prank. We'll be on hold all non-emergency traffic.
Copy it. I'm still on hold with music for the main lobby. I'm not getting anybody at the desk right now on phone. When they're ready.
Let's go on the LT. Back up. There he is. There he is. Right there. On the ground! No! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Down! On the ground! Do it now! Get on your car. Down!
男は携帯電話を持ちアラビア語で何かを話しています。警官たちは銃を構え地面に伏せろと命令しました。一触即発の緊張感がロビー玄関を包みます。
Got you. I'm on you. Stand in front of me. Get in front of me. Just yell. Come behind you. Austin. Head straight out in front of you. Don't move. Austin, go in. Grab his hands. Cuff him up. Cover. Get the phone away. Get the phone away. Cover the entrance, LT. Get your back.
What is this?
Go. All right, you got his arm? Grab that arm. You good? Here. 37, and we have one detained, just one. We're in the main entrance. So I'm going to bring that cruiser right here. We're going to put him in. Pull up. Want us to check him first?
What is this?
All right, turn to your left. Or your right. Turn to your right.
What happened?
Pull up.
Not good to do like this.
That's it, brother. One detained. Said she's by himself.
Not good this. I'm tourist and this is good, not good.
Yeah, it's not good. It's right.
Make a sweep this place.
I don't know what he's got in that.
She said she came by her. She said he's by himself. Anybody else? She said he's by himself.
This guy gotta make sure he's got nothing on. We look. Relax. Relax.
やがて男は指示に従い電話を落とし地面に伏せました。しかし実際には武器は持っておらず ISIS に関する発言も一切確認されません。つまりこれは彼女の大きな誤解だったのです。その後警官が手錠を外し事情を説明しましたが男は極度のパニックに陥りその場で倒れ込みました。救急隊がすぐに処置を行い命に別状はありませんでした。
How you feel? That good?
That good?
今回の件はただ男性がアラビア風の格好をしていただけで 大きな誤解につながった事件でした。日本でも見た目や言動だけで早とちりしてしまう場面はあるかもしれません。一瞬の誤解が大きな騒動になることもある。そんなリスクを私たちも意識しておく必要があると認識させられましたね。